Two monks lived in a hermitage. One day the senior monk said, with proper training, anyone can be taught good habits. Even difficult people can change. The younger monk replied, training can change habits, but it may not change a person's deeper nature unless the inner tendencies are transformed. The old nature can return when the opportunity comes. The senior monk was not convinced. The next evening, the younger monk joined him for dinner. The senior monk had trained a cat who held a lamp while they ate at night. The cat stood obediently, holding the lamp as usual. Unknown to the senior monk, the younger monk had brought a small box containing a mouse. Quietly, he opened the box and released the mouse. The moment the cat saw the mouse, it dropped the lamp and ran after it. The younger monk smiled and said, Master, this is what I mean. The cat was trained to hold the lamp, but its natural instinct was still there. As soon as the chance came, its true nature took over. The senior monk understood. You are right, he said. Training can improve behavior, but a real transformation must happen within. The younger monk added, the same is true for us. We may control our bad habits, but unless we remove the deeper tendencies behind them, they can return at any time. Spiritual life is not just about a changing action, it is about a changing the instinct. So, the moral of the story, good habits are important, but true spirituality goes deeper. Lasting change comes when our inner tendencies, that is vasanas, are purified. When the roots change, the fruits naturally become sweet.